ខ្មែរមិនច្បាស់សុំកុំប្រកែប្រកាន់ខ្ញុំមានតែទឹកចិត្តជួយបងប្អូនខ្មែរយើងខ្ញុំអត់ចេះនិយាយទន់ភ្លន់សូម You know, I have a lot of people misunderstood me, that they don't want to help me, but every day I get up and I do it again. I'm here for the community. I'm not here for anybody, just my Cambodian. Why am I hurt when I see the news? Why am I crying and suffering? Because but why do I feel hurt? Because I am Cambodian blood. I have Cambodian blood inside of me. And so I am raging here. I'm crying not because for your pityness. I'm crying out of my own heart because I'm suffering from my own people. So you know, we live in Canada, we're so cold. This is normal. We can dress up and warm up. The important thing is we're here for everyone. We're all Team Khmer. Mene? You mean the best of Khmer? It's okay. I get up and do it again. So thank you so much for everyone who's here today.